5 business credit mistakes beginners always make and how to fix them. Most people don't fail at business credit because they are broke. They fail because they make these 5 mistakes before they even start. What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this, thousands of new business owners are making a simple financial mistake that could destroy their personal finances, tank their legal protection, and prevent their business from ever getting a loan? They are not failing because their idea is bad. They are failing because of their business credit. And chances are, if you're just starting out, you're about to make at least one of these 5 critical errors. Stick around because today, I'm breaking down the 5 business credit mistakes beginners always make. And more importantly, I'm giving you the exact simple steps to avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. The personal piggy bank mistake. Number 1 is the most common and the most dangerous. Mixing personal and business finances. This is the easier mistake. You use your personal card for a software subscription. You pay a supplier from your personal PayPal. It seems harmless, but it creates 3 massive problems. 1. Legal disaster. It pierces the corporate veil, meaning a court can ignore your LLC and come after your house, your car, your personal savings if you get sued. 2. Credit black hole. None of those responsible payments help build your business credit score. It's like running on a treadmill that isn't plugged in. 3. Tax hell. Come tax season, you'll spend hours or thousands on an accountant trying to untangle what was business and what was personal. The fix is simple but non-negotiable. Step 1. Open a dedicated business checking account. Do it this week. Step 2. Get a business credit card, even if it's a secure card with a small limit. Use it only for business. Step 3. Pay every single business expense from that business account. This one move separates the amateurs from the pros. Mistake number 2. Waiting until you need money to build credit. This is like trying to get in shape the day before a marathon. Business credit is not an event, it's a process. If a lender looks at your business and sees a thin file or no file at all, you are a ghost, a risky ghost. You'll be stuck relying on personal guarantees, paying huge deposits, or just getting flat out rejected when you need capital to grow. Here's your actionable fix, starting today. First, get your business identity. That's your EIN and your DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet. It's free. This is how you get on the map. Second, start small. Apply for Net 30 vendor accounts with companies like Uline, Granger, or Quill. Buy a box of pens or some shipping supplies, get the invoice, and pay it early. These reported payments are the building blocks of your score. The goal isn't to get a $100,000 loan tomorrow. The goal is to have a history that says, this business pays its bills when you do ask for that loan. Mistake number 3, maxing out your business credit lines. You know how maxing out your personal credit card hurts your score? It's the same for your business, but the consequences are even bigger. Lenders see high credit utilization as a sign of distress. It screams, this business is living paycheck to paycheck and is one slow month away from collapse. It doesn't matter if you paid off every month. If your statement cuts with a high balance, it's hurting you. The fix, the 30% rule. Try to keep your balances below 30% of your total credit limit. The strategy. If you need to make a big purchase for inventory or equipment, plan to pay it down before the statement closes. Or, as your revenue proves itself, call your card issuer and ask for a credit limit increase. A higher limit automatically lowers your utilization ratio. Treat your business credit like a strategic tool, not an emergency fund. Mistake number 4, applying for every credit offer you see. Desperation is not a good look on your credit report. Every application can trigger a hard inquiry, and multiple inquiries in a short period make you look risky and financially unstable. Lenders think, why is this business so desperate for cash? What's going wrong? The fix, be strategic, not desperate. Space it out. Start with 1 to 2 foundational vendor accounts. After 3 to 6 months of perfect payment, then consider a single business credit card from a bank you have a relationship with. Do your research first. Know the lender's requirements before you apply. A rejected application is still a hard inquiry. Be patient. Building a fortress takes time. Mistake number 5. The set it and forget it neglect. The final mistake: never checking your business credit reports. Errors happen. A vendor might report a late payment by mistake. Worse, business identity theft is real. Someone could open credit in your business's name. If you don't look, you won't know until it's time to get financing and you get a shocking denial. The fix: become a detective. Schedule an annual checkup. At least once a year, and definitely 3 to 6 months before applying for a major loan, pull your reports from the big 3: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Dispute any inaccuracies immediately. Managing your credit isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing part of being a CEO. Recap and final encouragement. Let's do a quick recap so you know exactly what to do. 1. Separate your finances completely. 2. Start building credit now, not later. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. 4. Apply for new credit strategically and sparingly. 5. Monitor your reports regularly. Avoiding these mistakes isn't just about avoiding disaster, it's about actively building an asset. A strong business credit profile means better loan terms, higher limits, lower insurance rates, and the freedom to grow on your own terms. This might feel like a lot, but just start with step 1. Open that business bank account. Then, go get your DUNS number. Small, consistent actions build an unshakable foundation. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Which of these mistakes were you most likely to make? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video, where I'll break down exactly how to get your first business credit card, even with no revenue yet. Thanks for watching. Now go build your business credit the right way. I'll see you in the next one.